Crypto billionaire 69. We're back with another in-depth technical analysis video on Dogelon Mars. Today, Bitcoin is holding above the $20,000 levels, as we can clearly see. And we're going to go into the price action. What does this move mean? And how is it going to affect Dogelon Mars in the coming days? So let's get straight into it. As we can see, Dogelon Mars is up 6% today. So let's head over to the candle charts. We are currently on the daily candles. So for all of you day traders, stay tuned because we are going over the price action and which levels we need to watch today. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you like daily, semi-daily analysis videos on Dogelon Mars. Alright, let's get straight into it. So as we can see, we are still making higher lows. However, we are still in a bearish trend here. As I have some friends around me. They know nothing about crypto, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Yeah, you. You want to introduce yourself?
We're Sophia Squared. Nice to meet everyone.
Both of their names are Sophia. And they are both guys. Alright, so as we can see, this is a downtrend. However, we're still in the same boat as yesterday pretty much, so nothing really much has changed. We are getting lower in volume, which means one of two things. If we see another move like this, then we're going to see a major explosion to the upside, and our next point of resistance, major resistance, is around these 492 levels. So that's what we need to watch right there. Let's go down to these 4 hourly candles. As we can see, it is still making higher lows. However, we want to hold above these 304 levels for the whole day. And if we do that, that is confirmation that our new floor is still creating higher lows. And we're not coming back down to test these previous support lines, which means it is a strong sign that we could see a major move in the coming weeks.
Shh, Gigi, he's making a video. Shh.
We're making a video. Shh. You're good. You're good. You want to say hi?
No.
Okay. That's Grandma. So, pretty much, quick update. We want to hold above these 3304 levels today. If we close above these today on the daily candles, then it is major. It's good for the overall charts. Now, we are still in a downtrend. To be completely honest, what really matters mostly is if we hold above these $20,000 levels on Bitcoin within the coming weeks, okay? Because this is a major support level. If we break through the bottom of these 18,000s, then we will be heading lower past these 17,000s and possibly even to these 16,000s, okay? And if that happens, I will be adding more bags because right now is when everybody is in their most pain. We called this a couple months ago that we could see a $19,000 Bitcoin, and now that we are seeing it, it is very important to take advantage of this opportunity because this could be the last time in your life that you do see a $19,000 Bitcoin, okay? Now, if you're really old, then day trading right now would be really good to invest and make a lot of money because we are seeing really discounted prices, okay? Not only in crypto, but in stocks as well. Now, we could be in this lull, we could be in this dip for the next couple months. Could be 1 month, could be 2 months. However, if you look at this volume, it is very major to see that the volume is picking up because a lot of people are getting back in, along with a lot of people are selling. As you can see here, this major dip means a lot of people sold. And this is most likely institutions that are pushing it lower to scare retail investors out. So, being retail investors, but we have special information because you're watching Crypto Billionaire 69. What the best move to be making right now, and this is simple opinions from a crypto billionaire, is to be adding more bags. That's what I'm doing. So, if you're smart, if you're holding long term, adding bags right now will be a very good move. Crypto Billionaire 69. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I love you. Peace.